Let's start by opening the sheets you wish to combine. There will be a few requirements to review in all the sheets that you wish to combine. In this example, we will start by combining just 2 sheets. First, you would want to look at the data type icons in each column. These will need to match across all the sheets you wish to combine. If it is different in one of your sheets, simply go to Data Cleanup and change data type. Next, you will want to double check the column headers and the number of columns that appear in each sheet. If they do not match, simply rename the headers. If the amount of columns you have in each sheet does not match, you will want to either show or hide them on the side panel here. Once those requirements are fulfilled, go back to your library and select both sheets. Hit Combine and name your new sheet. This will generate a new sheet that is combined. And that's it. Thank you for watching.